I'm back with you today to share another resource, and it is Dig Magazine by Cricket Media. I already talked about Ask Magazine by the same company, Art and Science for Kids, and that will be linked up there as well as down below. This one is their it's called Dig Into History. And like Ask, it has one focus each issue. So I'm going to show you a few of them, and then I'll go into more details. So this one was Isabel of Castile, Augustus, Rome's first emperor. This one is on Brazil, a land claimed by a treaty. So, obviously not just people, but they do country type things too. This one's a journey along India's Ganges River. And then this one was Beijing through time. This magazine is for kids ages 9 to 14. My 9-year-old loves history, but doesn't love this magazine just to read it himself yet. He's starting to pick it up more, but if I'm reading it to him and to Ben or to Matthew, they love it. So I'm going to open up this one to show you, which is the journey along India's Ganges River. And the articles aren't going to be like the same type of format each time, but will be similar. And so they're going to, the first one's always some kind of an introductory paragraph, and it's usually, or introductory article, and it's usually a longer one. And then it's going to explore things related to that. So this one talks about, this article is talking about why the water is sacred. This one, Gomuck, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that city, so it talks about that's at the start, or at the head of the river. So it's going to go into a little bit about that city, why the water is sacred, what it's been like to live along the river over thousands of years. Section on Hinduism, and I have found that I think they do a pretty fair treatment of treating religions, no matter what the religion is. I found that it's been a pretty neutral, I guess is the word, I don't know. I haven't found bias in it, knowing that I'm speaking from a Christian perspective, but I've really tried to kind of look through it because I am very sensitive to that kind of thing, and I've not found it. So if you're concerned, here's that. And so then it goes into talking about what the water, it's called the water's gift, like how people use the water and why it's for travel, supply, trade, that kind of thing. Bathed by the Ganges. So you can see there's a really good variety of topics that they dig into within each specific topic. And then the pictures are really good. There's usually some kind of an art, like a coloring page. Fast forward section, it talks about whatever that area is, like what's going to come, or what that area should expect. And then the Ask Away section is not about whatever the topic of the magazine is, but they're just little questions that kids can write in about history. So I read that excavated teeth can tell a lot about a person. How is that possible? Did the people we call ancient study ancient history? So, just nice little questions that kids may wonder about. And then there's always a archaeology section, which I really enjoy. So there's a few different parts in the archaeology section on this one. And then there's an ongoing cartoon strip. So this magazine, I just think it's an excellent resource. All of Cricket Media magazines I love. But this magazine is $22 if you buy directly from Cricket Media. Amazon is actually more expensive. It was $35, I think is what it was. So I couldn't believe how much more it was. So definitely, if you're interested in it, buy it directly from Cricket Media. The digital version is $10. And I didn't even realize they had a digital version. I'm not sure when they added that, because I've never noticed it before, but there's a digital version for only $10 a year. So that, I think, is a great price. And I'm going to be poking around to see which one. We keep getting this one in print, but I'm going to see if there's any other ones that I want from them for digital. And that's Dig Magazine. Definitely check it out. Thanks for watching.